Welcome to this introductory video on iBASEt's Supplier Quality Management solution, powered by Solumina Series. This solution is part of our Digital Operations Suite, a portfolio of applications that can help you to accelerate the digital transformation of your manufacturing, quality, and sustainment operations. Over the next few minutes, I'll provide an overview of this best-in-class supplier inspection planning and execution system. It's common in complex manufacturing assembly that more than half of all parts consumed are produced by external suppliers. Therefore, it's critical that quality extends beyond the four walls of your factory and begins at the source. Our SQM solution provides both visibility and control of your purchased products before they reach your shop floor. Start by defining dynamic, detailed inspection requirements for supplier manufactured goods. Specify engineering targets for expected results and even tie verification tasks to contractual purchase order clauses. Plan for inspection on multiple levels: broad, commodity-based, or detailed part-specific requirements. Assure design and build quality with Solumina's AS9102 compliant first article inspection capabilities. Utilize source inspectors or have vendors directly access the supplier portal to execute to plan and process inspections or submit documentation for approval prior to shipment. And when product arrives at your factory, ensure conformity via receiving inspection. Our modern, easy-to-use web interface provides full visibility of all activities for each supplier. Dashboards provide status of open purchase orders, inspections, and other tasks so personnel can easily access work. Verify compliance via validated data collection, including user certifications, tooling calibration information, and dimensional tolerancing. Identify defects early and easily with integrated discrepancy reporting, ensuring traceability to the issue while preventing shipment or stocking of parts. Resolve defects in a timely manner with appropriate dispositions, thus decreasing cycle time and increasing your productivity. Address and prevent any future systemic defects with Solumina's corrective action capabilities. Issue requests for cause from suppliers or investigate internally. Monitor and maintain your suppliers' processes with quality audits. Plan for regular surveillance activities of their production processes, work areas, or personnel. Record and track these results, document findings, and even generate corrective actions to ensure full compliance of your supply base. Bring supplier data into your MES to achieve greater visibility into the dynamic digital footprint of your assembled parts. The end item unit information results in a full genealogy, with traceability down to the supplier inspection data collected at the source. Use this to maintain a detailed work history and identify where vendor-provided parts have been consumed throughout your assemblies. The iBASEt SQM solution can play a critical role in improving quality and operational performance as part of your digital transformation strategy. By seamlessly capturing all the necessary supplier data and including this within your production processes, you can rest assured you're efficiently producing a high-quality product. Are you interested in learning more? Contact us today to speak further with one of our support advisors.